Siddiqui and welcome to the Energy Forum series. Today we will focus on the rise of shale resources in US and try to understand how it is transforming the business models in oil and gas industry and the learnings that can be transferred to the other regions in the world. In 2018, the US oil production reached 9.6 billion barrels per day. The shale accounted for nearly 66% of total oil production and over 60% of total dry gas production. This is a tremendous achievement. The shale revolution really took off with Barnett Shale. Hydraulic fracturing and horizontal wells were among the key technology drivers for the transformation, aided by the rising oil prices. In the aftermath of the financial crisis 2008 and 9, oil prices kind of plunged. The access to capital via traditional reserve-based lending declined, and near 0% interest rates helped start the rise of private equity and provided much needed alternative growth capital to the upstream companies. The downturn caused the prices to plummet 75%, and almost 90 oil and gas companies filed for the bankruptcies. The increase in private equity even more attractive lending model industry. The US oil and gas production is projected to rise and require more than $5 trillion in investment in the next 20 years, mostly in upstream and midstream sectors. So what are the implications of these decade-long changes? I think shale resources will play a significant role in the growth of the US oil and gas, and private equity will play an increasing role in meeting the demand for the capital in the upstream. I think it's prudent for upstream companies and private equity to adjust to this new partnering model. In the traditional upstream model, the lending bank has arm's length involvement with the portfolio company, whereas in the emerging model, private equity actively involves with E&P portfolio companies. It is important to understand these evolving roles in a bit more detail. From my own experience, upstream portfolio team develops big rules, common risk segment maps, play segment maps. They identify the potential killer risk and produce a sweet spot strategy. They map well IPs in the play and develop pure controls on productivity. They also develop play-specific well completions and fracturing designs, and appraise and de-risk the play before starting the commercial production. On the other hand, at its core, private equity have one objective: they generate strong return for its limited partners. Historically, the deal delivery team focused on the financial engineering, that is leverage, multiple expansions, and arbitrage, and less on operational improvements. The emerging change in recent competitive markets is that financial leverage and multiple arbitrages are becoming more difficult to achieve. So PE companies have started differentiating through operational value creation. Therefore, need for the operation team is critical. Operation teams take active role in the portfolio companies during the life cycle of the deal, leaving deal team to focus on the more important strategy issues. The operating team, whether third-party consultant or in-house team, has significant experience in corporate management and leverage its industry experience to help address the challenges faced by the portfolio companies. It is a critical link between the PE team and the portfolio team. This is the transformation we need to really be aware of and proactively manage as we go in the next decade. Finally, shale production is largely a North American phenomenon. To transfer learning elsewhere in the world would require considerable effort. So there are three critical success factors. First, credible legal systems that underpins the fiscal terms to encourage and protect the investment. Then, world-class capabilities and talent must be developed and retained to develop all these big resources. Finally, the local companies, especially the local service companies, need to be promoted to drive the cost down and attract the investment. Thanks for watching.